Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Friday. If you're watching this live, if you're watching this another day, well, happy day to you. No problem with that. My name is Carlos Vargas. And one of the questions that I get asked often is how do I configure my regular domains? And in this case, I'm going to be doing it for some of the new funnels that I'm going to be launching in Clickfunnels. But this same video will help you set up your domains in any platform. And there's a specific reason why I picked Cloudflare after testing a lot of different platforms. And here's what happened. We all know that we want to have our traffic secure. So you have the little padlock on top, so everything that transfers is secure, so there's no problem. But normally you need to pay for an SSL certificate across the different platforms. Cloudflare does something very interesting is that they actually secure your traffic by default. What that means is that when you configure your domains with them, they can actually secure all your traffic and also all the redirects. That is that let's say that your domain is, example, my main domain is carlosvargas.com. But there's also www.carlosvargas.com. Those are two separate addresses on the internet that could go to two different places, but normally go to the same place. What happened? GoDaddy can't do that. They cannot secure your main domain unless that is hosted with them and you pay them for an SSL certificate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can do it without a problem. And in another video, I'm going to go to how to do it and install it in your ClickFunnels. So I'm going to go step by step. So let me just share my screen. And if you have any questions, you can drop me a question on the chat. So right here, you can get an account on Cloudflare. It's completely free. So the first thing you're going to go is that you click on add a site. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a brand new domain that I just bought for a project that I'm going to be doing in the future. So I'm going to get the name. And Cloudflare going to check where the domain is registered. And it's going to give you a couple of options. But if you scroll down, there's an option for free. You can click here, continue. And it's going to give you a couple of steps of what you have to do. All that you have to do is configure the DNS names on your registry. So in this case, I'm using Namecheap because actually they are awesome at their support and for pricing. Okay, let me just get another one because this one may have just been taken. Let me go back. I will leave that one running for now. Let me get one of the other ones that I got. Let's go here. Okay, that other domain, I literally just purchased it. Like not even 30 minutes ago. So we go back again. We go into the name servers. And again, the reason that I like to leverage Cloudflare is because now all the traffic gonna be secured by default. Okay, so now that this is set up, all that I had to do, so you see, it went and it picked up where the information is. The records, this is really interesting. Normally, when you move a domain from one registrar to another one, sometimes the records are not there. So with this, you can actually have all the records and you can add new records in here. So I'm gonna go continue. And now, when I click done, it's gonna give me this quick check guide, and this is where the magic happens. So you click get started, and you see here, automatic HTTPS rewrites. This is very important because what happens is that on the mobile devices, let's say that you type the domain name and you type it, like I said, carlosvargas.com. But if it has to go to www.carlosvargas.com, and there's no rewrite, the traffic gonna fail because it's trying to do it on the HTTP. So it's a little bit technical, but the idea is that all your traffic will be secure and it does it automatically for you. So you don't need to be a technical genius. All you have to do is make sure that this is green. You click save. Always use HTTPS. You want to enable that. Again, this will redirect everything. Hit yes, save. And then to compress your traffic so it can go faster across the different networks. And we click finish. So now all that you have to do is just wait probably 2 hours, and then you can go to any platform where you want to set up your domain. In this case, it's going to be Clickfunnels. You can then go and configure your domain, but now everything will be secured. So my friends, this was a quick video to make sure they have, because I see the questions a lot in a lot of the groups. People ask me, but also how to set up all your communications in a secure way. So my friends, we'll see you on our next episode.